Hi brothers and sisters. In this video we're going to talk about reference variable and object. What is reference variable? What is object? What is the difference between that? When reference variable get created, when object get created. This information we're going to explore in this video. Here I have created one simple class called shape. The shape class having a two-member variable called height and width. In the main method, I have written two lines of code. The first lines of the code I am saying that shape obj semicolon. Shape obj. Whenever say like this, you created a reference variable for a class. Meaning of this particular statement, you created a reference variable of this particular class. According to this statement, you created a reference variable of particular class. Shape, the reference variable name is obj. In the second line, I am saying obj equal to new shape. When you say like this, you are creating a object of the shape class. You are creating a object of shape class. This shape class object created in Java heap memory. There is a two memory location in Java. One is stack, another one is a heap. We are not going to discuss about stack and heap in detail. Whenever you create an object, that object created in heap memory. Heap memory. Okay. Whatever explained so far, I am going to explain now same thing using this diagram. Whenever say shape obj, I am creating a reference variable. When you create a reference variable, Java put that reference variable in stack memory. Put that reference variable in stack memory and assign to null value. By default, assign to null value. That means that object doesn't have any value. The second step, when I say obj equal to new shape, using new operator, I am initializing this shape class. That means I am creating an object of this shape class. New operator creating an object of the shape class. That object created in heap memory. That object created in heap memory. Now this object is a representation of shape class. That means whatever attribute exists inside a shape class, those attributes are available in the shape object. I created height and width two attribute. Now this shape object having a height and a width two attribute in the heap memory, the form of object. Now to create this object, Java needs some memory, right? That memory allocated by this new operator. That memory allocated by this new operator. Now this shape object sits in that memory location. Each memory location having a unique memory address. Unique memory address. That memory address called as 1234. That memory address is called as 1234. Now this memory address assigned to in your reference variable. For each object, certain amount of memory allocated in heap memory. In that memory, our object gets sits. That particular memory location, each memory location in the heap memory having a unique address. Okay, that unique address, anything, any number. In this example, I am saying it's a 1234. Okay. Now that unique memory address assigned to your object, your reference variable. That is the reason we are calling this variable as a reference variable. I hope you people understand what is reference variable, what is object. Whenever you declare a variable using any class type, that is called as a reference variable. In this case, I am declaring one variable called obj. That obj type is shape. So now this obj is a reference variable of shape class. Whenever you initializing that reference variable using new operator, you are creating an object of particular class. In this case, I am creating an object of particular class. In this case, I am creating an object of shape class. Now object created, that object sit in heap memory. In that heap memory, it's stored in particular location, that location having a unique memory address, that address assigned to in our reference variable. Okay, please understand very clearly. Reference variable is different, object is different. Reference variable is a container which holds address of object we created using new operator. I am explaining again. Reference variable is a container which holds the address of object that we created using new operator. This is the difference between reference variable and object. In next video, we will going to explore more about the reference variable and objects. Until then, bye bye from Suresh K7. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Please subscribe this video for regular updates.